Hey guys, back again. I don't even know what part in the series this is, but some of you guys are a little confused at the moment. That looks an awful lot like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 lugs. That's weird. Looks like a Chevy rotor caliper. Chevy never made a high pinion 44. So I pressed the bearing races in this morning and mocked up the hub just out of curiosity. Wanted to see if the different stub shaft lengths would work. Actually, I got one built up over there. I don't have the two Ford ones. Ford ones are out here right now, so they've just got one little groove here, and the Chevy ones are that much longer. And so that would mean that this Chevy outer has to be disconnected from the Chevy inner has to be disconnected from the Chevy outer, and I need to replace the outers from these Ford ones to the Chevy. And I just got the Chevy one pressed out just a minute ago. As you guys can see, they're a little different. You can see they're just a little bit different. So what's crazy is the little grooves here match up, but Chevy's got a little bit longer shaft because of the big bearing hub, I think, and probably just a better, thicker, stronger design, I guess. But got the brake on, or got the brake rotor on. The new race, you can see the new race in there. Got the other one in there, the outer bearing race out of there. Turns out I had the wrong inner bearings from O'Reilly's, so I went down there and got the right ones. I think dude just gave me the wrong part number. But I pulled the Ford U-joint out, and so I get to focus. It's kind of toast. And the other ones were they weren't oily. They were just kind of black, thin grease. Really nothing. Almost like oil. It's not actually grease. So I'm just going to continue to press out the old setup. I don't really care how badly I screw these up, but press them out and put the new ones back in. I think last weekend I put new ball joints in. All ready to go. Like I mentioned last time around, I've got a whole bunch of leaks and whatnot. The rosette welds are all leaking, so not a big deal. Just see if we can fill it or something like that. I got a new toy, 210 on a big welder. I still gotta fill my tank up and get the right wire. I have some 023 wire, but that's a little too thin for me, so project's coming along slowly but surely. Tax return didn't come in this week. Guess they couldn't figure out who I was, so now there's a potential that we'll have to wait like 6 to 9 more weeks till we get that. But I did get new calipers a couple weeks ago, so it'll fit nice in there. You can see the high lift or the high steer arm, obviously factory milled. I've been debating on cutting these off, the stock steering knuckles, the steering nubs, arms, whatever. But I thought about it. I thought, you know what? If I do cut it off, it's only going to be like that much. And if I'm running 35-inch tires, I mean, that tire's going to be clear out here. It's not going to matter. So, I think I'm just going to leave them. I might even do Heim steering and run the bolt up to the high steer arm and have the Heim captured in the middle there. In other news, I did pick up, you can see it, I grabbed 2 extra crossbars and whatnot, but for 15 bucks at half off sale there at Pick and Pulled, figured it wasn't a bad deal. So I'll put that on top of the truck over there and cut it so that half it's on the cab, half it's on the rack in the back, and get it built.